Looks nice, right?
Yeah.
Zanzibar Restaurant did look beautiful, romantic, and quite fancy. And although it's very close to Sukhumvit Road, it's located away from the main road, so it's actually quite quiet and peaceful. Unfortunately, that's where the good experience pretty much ends, because when it comes to the service, the food, and especially the prices, things were very different. Let's start with the prices. We ordered spring rolls for 250 baht, pineapple juice for 120 baht, and even a bottle of water cost 60 baht. With service charge and tax, the total came to 507 baht. That's around 13 euros or $15. And for that amount of money, honestly, I expect much more. For comparison, in Bangkok, 507 baht can get you an all-you-can-eat meal for two people at places like Lucky Suki, or an all-you-can-eat meal for one person at AKA Yakiniku. So, okay, maybe Zanzibar can justify these prices if the food and service are amazing, but unfortunately they weren't. The spring rolls cost 250 baht, but they were overcooked and basically tasteless. Honestly, I've had better spring rolls from 7-Eleven. And then there was the service. Even though there was only one other table with guests when we visited, we still had to wait quite a long time. And maybe this is also why the restaurant was so empty. Based on what we experienced, I wouldn't come back here. Bangkok has so many restaurants where you can get much better food, better service, and much more for your money. So if you're looking for a beautiful and romantic place, Zanzibar might look tempting, but if you're asking me whether it's worth the money, my answer is no. For me, this is a place to avoid.
Walk on lots. Only this is short. It's not Italian, it's Indian.
Why you talk to Thailand? I think go back. is where we come down.
But we crossed the road already. We go the
Yeah, we crossed the road.
already. Why we came the same?
Because you told me na. This is where we went.
We went already, right?
Yeah, that one and that one. Again Indian.